Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding Sqlite and path provider, then run Flutter pub get so dependencies resolve. Next, create a database helper singleton to manage one open connection. This prevents multiple file locks. Open the database with Open Database and provide version plus and onCreate callback. Inside onCreate, execute SQL create table statements to define columns and indexes. Once done, store the database instance in the helper for reuse, and close it only when the app disposes. You now implement CRUD. Write insert, query, update, and delete methods on database helper that accept and return Dart models. For writes that must be atomic, use database. Transaction and for large inserts use batch to improve performance. Convert model objects to map string, dynamic with to map, and reconstruct models from query results. Make sure to use where and where args to avoid SQL injection. Also optionally expose streams, or use value notifier to notify UI when data changes, so widgets rebuild efficiently. You finish by adding migration logic. Implement on upgrade to transform schema between versions, preferring alter table for minimal disruption, or create temp tables when needed. Make sure you obtain the proper file path using getDatabases path and path. Join so Android and iOS use the same location. Finally, test thoroughly. If you encounter a locked database or write failures, close any lingering database instances. Ensure await is used for async calls, and restart the app to clear stale handles before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.